Hello folks, today we're going to show you how to replace a light bulb on a 2001 Mercedes ML320, and we'll show you the procedures. That is really simple and really quick, so you can do it yourself. Really simple folks, you just got to remove those two nuts. Once you do that, but you got to have your door open, your back hatch open, because they're going to be exposed unless you open your hatch. Same thing for the passenger side. You do that and then you pull backwards to release that pin. Once you do that, you set up yourself to pull these tabs inwards, and you pull this housing wire. The whole light bulbs come out, and then you can replace the light bulbs. You guide your light bulbs back in there. You grab the housing, you guide the rounded piece to the rounded piece. You guide your light bulbs through the holes, and then you gotta make sure these two tabs they slide in and they secure themselves. Once you do that, you can start guiding your light or your housing in. There's a body of the car, and you gotta guide that one down there, and these guys right here. Once you do that, you push forward. There's the truck, and then you put the nut right here, the nut down there, and you are done with the replacement of the light bulb on a Mercedes. And we'll see you soon with more videos here in el canal Chano Jose.